This is a house that we built last year, at the beginning of last year, and we framed it up and roofed it and put the siding on it, and then John finished it. And we're entering the beautiful Sequatchie Valley, one of the most prettiest places on earth. I'm coming down off of my mountain where I bought my property just recently, if you've been following the Tiny Shack project. My truck talking about vehicle near top speed. Alright, now that's a long story. I got the My Key function stuck on my truck. Now I can't go over 80 miles an hour, which hampers my production. But anyway, you can see how beautiful. You really can't. This phone is not doing it justice. But anyway, we're gonna go check out John's house. It's been, I don't know, 8 months, 6-8 months since he moved in, and he's been doing a lot of the work himself. I thought I'd just do a little update on that project. I really don't want to come back as a cow, because it's like, I don't know what, 26 degrees, and it's breezy, so it feels probably like 20 for old cows. Of course, they got better fur than I do. I thought I'd take a look at, film some of this coming up this way, because we'll get a good view of the back. One thing I always thought was neat about John's house is how he's got this little creek running beside it. And you can actually hear it from the porches. Looking good. He's creating this stone terraced walkway here. There he is. Mind if I take a few pictures?
Nope.
That's gonna be nice.
Still not finished yet.
Huh?
Still not finished yet.
House is never finished. Like I said, that's where we came up with that substantially complete terminology. This is nice, John.
Build my ladder to the loft. Yeah, I got the flooring down up there the other day. So we got the backsplash in the kitchen to do. And I hang the microwave.
Awesome. Love the colors. Our post and beam turned out really nice. So John created a new architectural style.
I'm still gonna rock it.
That's the leftover siding that we had, fiber cement siding, turned back, towards the back is facing out. I think that's pretty cool. And the view is awesome. Look at that sun coming in on a cold day.
Still have all the trim work.
Awesome. And John does good tile work too. I love our little windows we put in the showers.
I posted a picture of it on Facebook. I got a lot of compliments on it. And you know what? I asked a lot of people to estimate the square footage of the house. Almost all of them say over 3,000 square feet.
Yeah, and it's funny how the high ceilings will, give you the impression of lots of square footage.
1,800, not including the wall.
Where did you get this?
Marble Valley countertops and
That's nice. Wow, that's cool.
what is that place where Paco lives? Rossville? Ringo?
These fissures almost look like they're they would go all the way through, but I guess they didn't. That's awesome. I almost forgot about the little loft.
Yeah.
There's a loft up there above that bedroom.
I just haven't built a ladder for it yet.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna make a ladder out of that leftover 4x8s. There's a dark brown natural finish.
I like that color, that grayish color.
Yeah, it goes good with the tile.
You said you got it on Wayfair?
Yeah.
Cool faucets. I was trying to show the creek. There it is. Well, the true test of a contractor and his relationship with his customer is if you can go back and visit them and have a good time after 6 or 8 months. So that was fun. I've always liked John, and he was really good to work for. And you know, he's a smart guy. He did a lot of that trim work himself, and just kind of a neat project. Now I'm gonna go take these electrical supplies. Did I film them? Dang, I need to get pictures. Take them to the tiny shack, and hopefully we'll get an electrician started there. We will see you then.